There is a need to create more awareness on the role of physiotherapy in keeping people healthy, and with adequate public awareness, physiotherapists will have it easier working with patients to fight arthritis, which is a global health challenge.
The country as a whole has not had a sports rehabilitation center, and this center is a center that has a holistic approach to athletes and any sportsman management, where we have all the doctors, the physios, the nutritionists, the mental health specialists who come together and manage the athlete.
Considering that arthritis brings with it pain, affects mobility and also decreases the quality of life of those who suffer from it, physical medicine is meant to improve the lives of individuals grappling with this condition.
You find that these athletes have got both musculoskeletal injuries, that is, for example, meniscus tears or ligamentous tears in many areas. For example, the shoulder, the knee, you find that some of them get small tears that can be managed. And what happens is, as I said, it's a holistic approach. The doctor will see, and then if there is one that needs to be done, repair, it is done, and we come here and rehabilitate those patients fully, so that they can go back to their work or to their run.
Physiotherapists say they mostly participate in relieving fatigue from the body, assisting those living with disabilities to walk again, and also training individuals on exercise to keep the body fit.
Static basically is also quite important in our setup for any clientele, any client that you see, whether it's somebody for sports, whether it's somebody who had very weak legs, maybe deconditioned because of being in bed for too long, then the machines are the ones which somebody can be started. Because it is stable and static in one place, it helps build the strength of the legs, the strength of the trunk, and also it's cardiovascular. So it also helps with the heart muscle, build up and endurance.
Concerns are now being raised over the rising prevalence of arthritis in Kenya, with medical practitioners saying that an estimated 9 million people are at risk of permanent disability after suffering from arthritis.
You find the doctor will see the patient, they'll refer to physio, the physio will see, and that is it. But this time now, we are looking at that person as a group of speciality. We are looking at that person and managing that person in a holistic way. So that is why one of its kind, there's none like it even in Kenya or East Africa.
So far in the country, the Nairobi Hospital has set up a world-class sports medicine and rehabilitation center to enable Kenyans and clients from the wider Eastern African and Central Africa to access quality rehabilitation or treatment for physiotherapy complications.
This is the first center, but as time goes, we may be able to open up more centers to just help our athletes.
Robbie Omondi, K24.